First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So before watching all the RRB JE topic wise video, you have to first understand these three important things. So first, the RRB JE CBT1 exam level. So usually when we take all the previous year memory based question paper of RRB JE exam, so the aptitude reasoning question level, it's medium level. So do not waste your time on keep on solving very hard level question. So try to practice more and more number of question, easy level, very easy level and medium level more. So if you keep on practicing questions more on medium and little bit medium high level, definitely you can able to clear CBT1 aptitude and reasoning questions. And second, importantly, in my every video that I'm going to post for RRB JE, I will be teaching 20 questions each and every topic on quantitative aptitude as well as reasoning. After teaching 20 questions, I will be giving 30 questions as a test. So the 20 question what I'm going to teach now will be exactly at the medium level concept, right? So that medium level questions I'm going to teach for this RRB JE, especially for RRB JE. And after teaching 20 question, I will be giving you 30 question as a test with all different kinds of model. Again, the 30 question will also be in the exam point of view like medium level question. So after watching 20 question on this video, do not forget to take the 30 question test. And the third important, so students, those who already bought the railway exam test, inside it at the last tab you can able to see a new column called RRB JE. So once you click on it, after posting every video, there you can able to see 30 question test on each and every topic on quantitative aptitude. So if you didn't buy it, if you want to buy it, so just visit feelfreetolearn.com. Inside a test series you can able to see RRB railway exam, which is 99 rupees. Or if you have an Android mobile, so go to Google Play Store and search for Feel Free to Learn. So once you download the app, open it, inside that you can able to see railway exam. So click on it and purchase the test and start practicing all the question which is inside RRB JE. So after posting every video topic, your test will be added there. So now let me move on to all the RRB JE quantitative aptitude topics. So friends, now let me move on to the next topic for RRB JE exam. So that is on the quantitative aptitude session, number system, right? So number system is one of the most important topic for any competitive exams, not only for railway. If you are preparing for SSC staff selection, or if you are preparing for RRB, NTPC, Group T, whatever the exam be, even if you are preparing for a bank exam, gate exam or your state level government exams, definitely you can able to see more than 2 or 3 questions that will be asked only from the topic number system. So give more and more importance if you are preparing for the railway exam alone, right? Why? Because students, I have seen many students will prepare more than a week or more than 10 days. I have seen many students will prepare only the topic trigonometry or only the topic algebra, but in your exams there will be only 1 or 2 questions will be asked in the exam, right? But when you take a number system, just look at the previous year question paper. If you have time or if you have a copy of previous year question paper of RRB JE, just look at the question paper, right? You can able to see more than 5 questions was asked only from the topic number system, right? Because number system is the basics of quantitative aptitude, right? Only if you learn the number system topic, you can understand how to simplify or how to simplify the equation model, how to find LCM, HCF, how to find average. Everything is only depend on the initial topic number system, right? So spend more and more number of time and to learn the basics, to understand the basics of all the concepts in the topic number system. Because even in the previous year of RRB JE, we can able to see 4 questions that was asked only from the topic number system. In 2019, 2017, RRB Group D, RRB NTPC, most of the exams you can able to see maximum of 5 questions that was asked only on the topic number system. That too only from particular area, right? We don't have huge concepts in the topic number system, but if you take any one category, inside that category you have different models. So when you keep on practicing questions on the topic number system, you can surely crack the questions in your exam, right? So if you already watched my number system video, just we can watch this video, right? We will be solving in this video 4 or 5 questions here that was previously asked in RRB JE. But if you didn't learn the topic number system, kindly go to my YouTube channel. I have posted 11 videos totally, not 1 or 2, right? I have posted 11 videos only on the topic number system, starting from the introduction of number system ending with n terms. Totally 11 videos I have posted, and do not forget to watch all the 11 videos. Do not miss any one of the videos, right? Try to watch all the videos, 11 videos, understand each and every video concept, because each and every video I have taught one different concept. One video you can able to see how to find the unit digit. One video you can able to see how to find the place value, right value. So many things are there. Face value, place value, right? You have to understand each and every stuff on the number system topic. If you want to study more, right? If you want to give importance to some lesson in the topic number system, that will be lesson number 5. So lesson number 5 is the most important lesson in the topic number system. You have to learn all the lesson, but give little bit more importance to lesson number 5. Even while teaching percentage topic, even while teaching profit and loss, every time I used to say this, lesson number 5 in the topic number system plays a most important stuff. Why? Because this is the lesson number 5, sum of series, right? So sum of series. I think everyone, those are preparing for any competitive exams, you can able to see these kind of question. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, up to 9 square is equals to question mark. What is the answer for it? Or else sum of 100 prime numbers. So these kind of questions you can able to see, which comes under the category called sum of series. And inside the sum of series, we have only limited number of formulas, like 3 or 4 formulas are there. You have to choose for which question we have to use which formula, and for which question you have to subtract the total. That is the only area where students used to make a mistake, because for a right question they didn't choose the right formula. They use a wrong formula to find out the answer, and the complete answer will be wrong. So make sure to understand for which series of number we have to use which formula, and for which series of number we have to subtract from the total. If a number starts with 1, we won't subtract anything, we will directly apply the formula. But if the same number starts like this, 5 square plus 6 square, it does not start from 1. It starts from somewhere like 5 or 23 something. If the number starts other than 1, then we have to use the total minus the given number to find the resultant number, and then we use a formula. So understand that where we are using the subtraction part and where we are not using the subtraction part, we are directly going with the formula. So learn all those stuff. This number sum of series on the topic number system is the most important thing. Okay? Other than that, in the number system, on particularly on this railway exams, RRB, JE, Group D, where you can able to see questions like these kind of question. For example, a reminder based question. A number was divided by some number and gives you the remainder this much, and the quotient is this much. So the reminder based concepts are more important. And then other than this, in the topic number system, you can able to see LCM HCF. LCM HCF also comes under the category of number system. Inside the number system only, we have a topic called LCM and HCF. When you take older books, right, older quantitative aptitude books, there will not be a separate topic LCM and HCF. Inside the number system, you will find LCM HCF. But recent year, in most of the competitive exams, where LCM HCF was asked for 1 or 2 questions in the exam, right? So only in the recent quantitative aptitude books, when you take recent year aptitude books, you can able to see number system is the separate topic, LCM HCF will be the separate topic. So here also in my YouTube channel, I posted separately 4 or 5 lessons in the topic LCM and HCF. Number system separately I have posted 11 videos. Right? Do not merge these two. First learn number system. After learning number system, learn LCM HCF. That will be easy way. Right? So other than this, in the topic number system, so some of the areas which are important is I've told you, right? Reminder, quotient, so those model question, and then question that is based on, you can see how to say unit digit, right? Unit digit is most important. And other than this unit digit in the topic number system, one concept, right? Yes, divisible, right? If there are numbers like 1 to 100 number, right? Between this 1 to 100 number, how many numbers are divisible by 2? How many numbers are divisible by 3? So these kind of questions are most important. How many prime numbers are there? Out of 1 to 200, how many prime numbers are there? Or else out of 1 to 200, how many numbers which are divisible by 7, which are divisible by 21? So these kind of questions you can able to see more on the topic number system. And if you want, again, finally, if you want to give more importance to the topic number system in a particular area, try to learn first the sum of series, lesson number 5, and then how to find a unit digit of a number, and then a reminder based question, and then finally these model questions. So these are the main category of question that was repeatedly asked in the railway exams more. So friends, now we will be solving some, I think only 4 questions I have, but I will show you how the question level is and how you need to practice it, right? So friends, after watching this video, do not forget to take the test. In the RRB test package, I have given 25 questions with a medium level, and exactly what level question they have asked in the railway exam I have given on the test series. Do not forget to practice the test after watching this video. And if you didn't watch all the 11 videos, kindly watch this first. Within a day you can surely watch and you can learn the number system, but do not forget to watch all the 11 lesson on my channel, right? So friends, thank you so much. Let's move on to all the question that is based on the topic number system. So here is the first question. So find the least number which leaves a remainder 5 when divided by 8, 12, 16 and 20, right? So we have to find that least number. So when that number has been divided by either 8 or 12 or 16 or 20, it should leaves a remainder 5. So we need to find what is the number. So while teaching this kind of concept, right, a remainder based question, or else find the number, right, if the remainder has been given or quotient has been given, so mostly you will get a 50-50 chances. Either you can solve this question by using from the options, right, that is a shortcut method, or else a normal traditional method. Both will be easy, but you have to learn both, because at some area you can use the shortcut, but some area if they ask a reminder you can't able to use a shortcut, you can use only the normal method. Just see here, I can solve this question in both the way. So here you have an option, right? What is the option? What is the first concept of the question? So we have to find which number, right? Some number, right? That number when divided by all the given numbers, it should leave a remainder 5. That is the meaning of it, right? So we have to find what is the number here. What we can do is, we can take the options, right? First option is what? 240. When you take 240 and divide by the first number, what they have given us, divided by 8. When we divide this 240, that is option number A, by 8, 8 4s are 8 3s are 24, 0, right? So when I divide 240 by 8, where we are getting a remainder 0, but according to the question, we have to get a remainder as 5, right? So definitely option number A is wrong. Go with option number B. Option number B is how much? 245. So when you divide 245 by 8, right? So 8 3s are 24. So 0, 5. Now you can able to see, when we divide this option number B 245 by 8, we are getting a remainder 5. So we can say that option number B is the answer. If you want, you can cross check with other number also, right? What is the second number they have given? Is 12. So when you divide 245, that is option number B, by 12. So 12 2s are 24, 0, 5. Again we are getting a remainder 5. So we can say that the number is 245, which is option number B. So this is one way of solving a question from the option. It's called as a shortcut. When you practice more number of questions, even pen and paper is not required in an exam. By just directly seeing your computer, you can solve it. But do not depend always 100%, do not depend on the shortcut. Learn the traditional method also. Traditional method is very easy. So what you need to find here is, find the least number. We have to find what is the least number. So if it is a least number, we can use LCM, because LCM concept, least common multiple. So if they are asking a least number, go with LCM. So what are all the numbers they are going, this number is divided by what are all the number? 8, 12, 16, 20. So find LCM for it. 8, 12, 16, 20. So find LCM. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. So 2, 1, 3, 2, 5. Again 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. So now what we can do is, So again 3 and 5, right? So no problem. 4 into 2 will be 8, 8 into 2 will be 16, 5 into 3 will be 15. So 15 into 16 will be 240. So 240 is what LCM of the number. So here we found what is the LCM for 8, 12, 16 and 20. We got a common multiple which is 240. And we know that if we divide 240 by all these numbers, right? All these numbers we will get a remainder as 0. But our target is to get remainder as 5. So add 5 to the number which is 245. So friends, understood or not? If you divide 240 by all the given numbers, you will not get any remainder. We will get remainder 0. But we have to get remainder 5. So add 5 here. In case if we need to get remainder 7, add 7 here. That's it, right? So now 240 plus 5 will be 245. So 245 will be that number. So you can say that 245 is the answer. When you divide 245 by 8, you will get a remainder 5. When you divide 245 by 12, a remainder 5. 245 by 16, remainder 5. So it's understood or not? This is the normal method, right? If you check your books and see, most of the question will be solved in this way. But you can also use shortcut for these kind of question. Again, learn both the methods, because in some questions you will not, the options will be, in case if there is option called none of these, you will waste more time because we have to check all the options, right? That is one thing where we will loosen the time in the exams, right? 1 or 2 minutes on wasting those areas. And second, importantly, if the question based on the remainder, find the remainder itself. Here they have given a number. In some question they will ask to find the remainder. In those cases, from the options, solving a question is not easy. That way you have to use the normal method. So that's the reason I'm saying learn both the method, practice more. You will definitely find out in which question we can use this and which question you can use that formula, right? So answer for the first question is 245. Second question. So find the remainder. So 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 power 4 up to 10 power 99 is divided by 6. So just see here friends, our target is to find what is the remainder. Just now I have told you, right? If they are asking a remainder, using a shortcut is not possible. But by using a small technique, you can easily solve this question. So just see here, what they are saying is, so 10, right? So 10 square, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, it goes on still 10 power 99, right? It goes on till 99, 10 power 99. So our target is to find, if we divide this number by 6, what will be the remainder we will get, right? So this is the question what they are asking here. So there are two ways to solve this question. One is in the sum of series topic, we have learned, right? If it is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, or if it is 1 square, 1 cube, 3 cube, how to use a formula. But if it is a smaller number, we can use it. But here it is 10 power 99. 10 power 99 is not an easy thing to add all the numbers. So the easiest way to solve these kind of question is, here all the numbers are same. So friends, listen carefully. All the numbers here, what they have given are same. So just make a note of it. When you divide one number, 10 alone, by 6, I'm not going to add or I'm not going to find these answer for it. Just taking the first number alone, 10. When you divide by 6, so 1 6 are 6, a remainder will be 4. What is the remainder here? When you divide 10 by 6, it leaves a remainder 4 for the first number. So similarly, you don't want to divide for the next number and the third number and see. For every number, the remainder will be 4. So friends, understood or not? If you want, you can cross check it. Let's take 10 square. So 10 square is what? 100. When you divide 100 by 6, 1 6 are 6, so remainder will be 40. 6 6 are 36, remainder will be 4. Again, when you divide the second number 100 by 6, again we will get the remainder 4. When you divide 10 cube by 6, again you will get the remainder 4. When you divide 10 power 99 by 6, you will get the remainder 4. So make a small, if you are preparing for this, if you have like you have a note, right, separate note, just make a note of it, because if the numbers, right, if the numbers are same, right, if the numbers are same, then the remainder what we will get dividing a number will also be same, right? So you don't want to find and add all these numbers. So when you divide all the numbers, you will get a remainder 4 4 4 till how many times? 99 times you will get a remainder 4. So now we can easily find the sum of all these numbers. Why? Because 99 into 4. Resultant will be the total. 9 4s are 36. Remainder will be 3. 9 4s are 36, 396. So when you add all the reminders of the given number, the total is 396. Divide by 6 again. So 6 6 are 36. Again 3, 6 6 are 36. So we can cancel it by 66. We will not get any remainder. We will get a remainder 0. So answer for this question, the remainder is 0. So friends, understood or not? Right? This is one of the easy way to find the answer. Right? There are many different ways. Some students will keep it as x and solve it. Kindly don't do it. That is not the right method to solve these kind of question. We can able to see these kind of question more on number system. 9 power 1, 9 square, 9 cube, 9 power 3, up to 9 power 99. So you should not get confused. Remember only one note. Again, I am saying if you are preparing for RRB JE, I hope you will have a separate material, study material, separate note. So kindly take a note of it. If the base numbers are same, then the remainder what we are getting will also be same if we divide each and every number by a same number. For example, we are dividing all the complete set by 6. If we are dividing each and every number in a different number, then the remainder will not be same. But if we are dividing the total of these number by 6, then the remainder of every single number will be same. So it is easy to find. So 4 4 4, 99 times into 4, resultant will be the total remainder of all the 99 numbers. So again, divide by 6, we are not getting any remainder. So we can say that answer for the question where the remainder is 0. So friends, understood or not, right? So answer for the second question where the remainder is 0. Third question. So the number of numbers from 1 to 200 which are divisible by neither 3 nor 7. So when just see here, just now I have told you, right, starting of the video I have told this. So these kind of questions you can able to see more on the topic number system. Like they usually give you some range of numbers like 1 to 200 according to the question. So they have given like number range is 1 to 200. Out of this 1 to 200, we have to find what are all the numbers which should not be divisible by 3 and which should not be divisible by 7. So we have to find how many numbers are there between 1 to 200 which it should not be divisible by 3 and the number that should not be divisible by 7. So we have to find what is the total of numbers. So the easiest way to find these kind of question is, so find how many numbers are first it is getting divisible by 3 as well as how many numbers are first getting divisible by 7. For example, to find that, we know that the number range is from 1 to 200, right? Out of 200 number, divide by 3 first, right? 200 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18. Again, 220, 6 3s are 18. So 66 numbers, right, which are divisible by 3. So friends, understood or not, right? They have in the question they have given a range 1 to 200. So total numbers are 200. Out of 200, first I divided by number 3. So we have found out of 200 numbers, 66 numbers are getting divided by 3. So similarly, 200 divided by 7. So now when you divide this by 7, 7 2s are 14. So remainder will be 6. 8 7s are 56, right? So totally 28 numbers out of total 200 numbers which are divided by 7. So when you add these two numbers, right, 66 and 28. So when you add 66 and 28, so resultant will be the total numbers that are divisible by 3 or divisible by 7. So friends, understood or not? But one important thing you should do here, minus of, right, minus of, there will be some numbers which are divided by 3 as well as 7, because when you take 21, right, 21 is also a number, right, which is inside 1 to 200. When you see number 21, it will be divisible by 3 as well as the same number will be divisible by 7. So inside the 66 number we will have the number 21. Inside 28 number we will have the number 21. So we have to eliminate the 21 because 2 times the number is inside this. So we have to eliminate once. So what you need to do is the same 200 number total. We have to see 7 into 3 is 21. So how many times 21, the number, how many numbers are there which is getting divisible by 21? So when you divide this and see, so this will be 8 times, right? or 9 times, sorry, 9 times, 9 twos are 18. So totally there are 9 numbers inside 1 to 200 which are divisible by 3, as well as the same number will be divisible by 7. So we have to eliminate this 9 number from the total. So friends, understood or not? So once if you do this, 66 plus 28 minus 9, resultant will be the total number which are divisible by 3 and 7. But we have to find the total number which should not be divisible by 3 and 7. So we know that the total number or 200, out of total number 200, when you subtract the number which are divisible by 3 and 7, resultant will be 115. So we can say that total of 115 numbers are there between 1 to 200 which are not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 7. So friends, understood or not? So this is the easy way where you can solve this method for all the questions which are related to this concept. When you take your books and see, and when you take SSC exam, railway exams, you can able to see more number of questions that was asked from this area. So what are all the numbers which are divided by 21? What are all the numbers which are divided by 5 and 10? So these kind of questions were mostly asked in many competitive exam, and students will find it 66 and 28, but many students will forget to write this number -9. So you have to understand why we are writing -9, because while dividing by 3 and while dividing by 7, we are getting the number 21 two times here. 21 will also be inside the 66 number, 21 will also be inside the 28 number. So we have to eliminate the number one time. So in order to eliminate it, we are to multiply 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is what? 21. So we are going to check how many numbers are getting divided by 21. So we found 9 numbers inside 1 to 200 which is getting divided by 21. So we have to eliminate 9 from this. So resultant number will be the total number which are divisible by 3 and 7. And then from a total, if you eliminate it, remaining numbers which are not divisible by 3 and 7, right? So this will be the answer for this question. So here is the fourth question and most important question, right? So a number when divided by 14 leaves a remainder of 8, but the same number is divided by 7, it will leave the remainder. So friends, first try to understand a number when divided by 14, it leaves a remainder 8. What is the meaning of it? First understand that when you take your books and see, right, old books and see, you can able to see they will solve these kind of question in a lengthy process, right? So that much of lengthy process actually is not needed to understand the concept that is needed, right? But solving those method in the exam, definitely I will not recommend it. Why? Because it takes more than 2 or 3 minutes of time. There is a one easy way. Before that, you have to understand how we frame that equation. So when just here a number when divided by 14, right? A number, we don't know what is that number, but when we divide the number by 14, it leaves a remainder what? It leaves a remainder 8. So when the same number, when it's divided by 7, we have to find what is the remainder. This is the thing what we need to find here. But we don't know what is that number is. So friends, just try to understand one simple concept here. If we divide 11 by 5, example I am saying, if we are dividing 11 by 5, how will we divide this? 5 into 2 is 10. So remainder will be 1. This is the way we usually divide. So the concept here is when you multiply these two numbers, 5 into 2, plus 1, right? So friends, understood or not? 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 plus remainder 1, resultant will be that number what we are going to divide. Similarly, when you multiply 14 into this number is unknown. So let me keep it as number, right? That number is unknown. When you divide 14 into that number and add with the 8, the resultant will be the number what we are going to find here. Yes or no? Right? So this can be written as 14 into n. So 14 into n plus 8. So understood or not? So this is 14n plus 8 is equals to the number what we are going to divide with 14. Understood or not? The same number when we divide by 7, what is the remainder? So divide and see. When you divide 14, it remains, we will not get any remainder. 8 divided by 7, we will get remainder as 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. So the remainder is 1. This will be the answer for the question. So friends, understood or not? This is the one of the easy way, does not require pen or paper to solve most of the question which are related to the concept. If you take number system books and see, there will be minimum of 30 or 40 questions you can able to see with a similar model. right? So number when divided by 14, it leaves a remainder 8. So the same number, when it divided by 7, what is the remainder does it leave? So the concept here is, initially we have to find what is the number. So for finding the number only, I have told you this logic. So 14 into n, when you multiply these two number and add with the number, resultant will be this number. So 14n plus 8, resultant will be this number. So this number when divided by 7, what is the remainder? So we don't know what is actually n. So what we are going to do is, we are going to split this 14n divided by 7 plus 8 by 7, both are same, right? Instead of dividing total, or we can divide it separately, both are same. So when you divide 14n by 7, 7 into 2 will be 14. It does not have any remainder, so remainder is 0. When you divide 8 and 7, it leaves a remainder 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. So this will be the total remainder for this question. So friends, understood, or we didn't find what is the number is or nothing like that, because in some books they will just keep some numbers and they will check whether it leaves a remainder 8 or not. So don't do that. For understanding the concept of the question, that will be useful, but solving those method in the exams will not be useful. Why? Because you have to solve the question within 1 minute, right? 1 or 40 seconds. So you have to use little bit of smart way to solve the question. So I hope this will be the easy way. So to understand this only, I wrote one example question here, right? So friends, that's it. We have solved only limited number of questions in this video, but what you guys have to do is, do not forget to watch all the 11 lesson what I posted on the number system topic. After watching all the 11 lesson, do not forget to take test on the railway test package, where 25 question I have given in it, right? All the 25 question with a medium level question, which are exactly in the level for the railway exam. So do not forget to write the test and check where you are making a mistake and which part you don't know how to solve it. So understand, I have given the solution also there. So by using the solution, try to understand all the questions and try to keep on practicing daily, right? Because time management is more and more important in the nowadays railway exams. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the railway exams. So thank you so much. Bye.